Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start revision of chapter number 1, section number 1, which is the universe. In this section we will study about the universe. Let's see question number 1. What is meant by a galaxy? Explain the relationship between the universe and a galaxy. This question has two parts. The first part is what is meant by a galaxy, and the second part is explain the relationship between the universe and a galaxy. Now open page number 3. The answer of question number 1 starts from this line. First I tell you the meaning of galaxy. A galaxy contains hundreds of millions of stars as well as various gases and dust. A galaxy is a collection of hundreds of millions of stars as well as various gases and dust. What is dust in a galaxy? The dust in a galaxy consists of small grains of carbon, silicon, iron, aluminium and other heavier elements. Now I tell you what is relationship between universe and galaxy. Universe refers to the huge space which contains all matter and energy. Universe is a huge space which includes all matter and energy, including galaxies, and is treated as a whole body or system. Universe is treated as a whole body or system. In simple words, the universe is a collection of galaxies. In simple words, billions of galaxies make up universe. Astronomers estimate that. Who are astronomers? Astronomers are those people who are involved in the study of galaxies, stars and planets. Astronomers estimate that there are about 500 billion galaxies in the universe. According to astronomers, there are about 500 billion galaxies in the universe. तो क्या रिलेशन हुआ यूनिवर्स का और गैलेक्सी का कि गैलेक्सी इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्स. ईच स्टार मेक्स अप द गैलेक्सीज एंड ईच गैलेक्सी मेक्स अप द यूनिवर्स. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नेम द प्लैनेट्स ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. व्हाट एल्स डज द सोलर सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ? दिस क्वेश्चन हैज़ टू पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नेम द प्लैनेट्स ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज what else does the solar system consist of? Now open page number 4. The answer of question number 2 is, first I tell you the name of planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now I tell you about solar system. The sun, its 8 planets and their satellites. What are satellites? Satellite, an object that follows the path of a planet. For example, the moon is the Earth's satellite, or moons all orbiting the sun form the solar system. Sun, its 8 planets and their satellites or moon all orbiting the sun form the solar system. Planets, satellites और moon सब क्या करते हैं? sun के गिर्द मूव करते हैं और ये सब मिलके क्या बनाते हैं? solar system. Let's see question number 3. Which planet has the most moons and which planets have none? This question has two parts. The first part is which planet has the most moons and the second part is which planets have none. Its answer is on page number 5. Answer of question number 3 is Jupiter has most moons, Mercury and Venus have no moons. सबसे ज़्यादा moons किसके हैं? Jupiter के, और मरकरी और वीनस के मून्स नहीं हैं. जुपिटर हैज़ मोस्ट मून्स, मरकरी एंड वीनस हैव नो मून्स. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड. अल्लाह हाफिज़.